Okay, so sorry guys, my mic was muted, but today I'm gonna be playing some Cooking Fever, and I'm kind of excited because I'm always doing Roblox Bloxburg videos, so I am excited to play something different for once. So let's just jump right into this. Okay, so this is level 4. Okay. Now I can serve hot dogs. Cool. Okay. Oh. Okay. Beautiful. I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna want a hot dog. This. Oh, and I was wrong. Here is. Okay, this guy, we're gonna name him Bob. So, okay, Bob, just here you go. Here's some Coca-Cola. As you wait for your burger, sir. Here you go. I'm so sorry, sir. This man was waiting for a while now, but we'll get you your cola as soon. Oh. Here's your cola. Okay, I'm doing pretty good, but when it gets higher levels, I get really bad at this game. And honestly, when it's really high levels, I am a nervous wreck. Oh. Here you go, and here you go. 3 stars! Woo! Okay, so let's go. Let's maybe go higher. We'll upgrade this, and hot dog tabletop, we'll upgrade that, and now we only have $15. So let's go into the next level. Does everyone want a burger? Guys, no, we serve hot dogs too. No, we're supposed to serve it to him. Ah! He's getting tired of waiting. Why are there 2 of the same guy? That's not weird. Maybe they're twins. Wait. Thank you. Beautiful. Get those on the grill. We'll wait until he really needs it. Oh. Ah! Ah! Okay, this is going alright. There's so many people who want stuff at my restaurant, but that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Give this to her. Here. I hope I got 3 stars. Thanks. No, we have to get 3 stars, so let's do this again. Get everything on the grill for people when they come. Also, if you have any cooking fever tactics, then let me know in the comments so I can get better at this game, because I have to win at everything, apparently, or else I am not satisfied. Alright. I keep forgetting to put hot dogs, and then when someone comes who wants a hot dog. Sorry, I did not have a burger there the whole time. Please don't leave, please don't leave, here you go. So many people. Oh my gosh, COVID-19. Please don't go. Are any other people coming? Please, other people, come. Take it. What? Oh, we got 2 stars again. Okay, guys, I will be right back. I gotta try to beat this. Okay, guys, so I have been doing pretty good while I was gone, so I thought I'd start recording again. And I'm actually remembering to put the hot dogs down now. There you go. It can get a little crowded in here, but that's okay. Here you go. So many people want soda. Seriously, nobody wants. So close. No! I was so close. So very close. You know what? Now that is just mean. We have to do that again. I was so close. go. Like, nobody has to wait for their hot dogs, but everyone has to wait for a burger. Oh, there's no burger there. Gotta stop doing that. Stop wanting burgers, guys. This is too much for me. See this? I don't get paid enough for this. He's the last customer, so he better be happy with what he gets. Ah! Okay guys, I cannot get past level 5, so I think I'm gonna end the video right here actually. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. I hope you guys have been having a lovely day, and if you guys want me to do part 2, then come on, like, join the fam, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!